Mga ka-home foodies, napakakulay ng mga ingredients na nasa aking harapan. Kaya naman makakagawa tayo dito ng cafe-inspired treat na perfect sa favorite drink ninyo. Ito ang meat-free sausage bagel pizza. Perfect on the go or any time of the day. Kaya simulan na natin ito. And I am V-Boy Miranda for Elaborately Easy. Mga ka-home foodies, let's start this. I have here bagel bread sliced in half. You can also use other kinds of bread katulad ng pandesal, or you can go fancy by using ciabatta, focaccia, or even French bread. Okay? Let's start. Lagay lang natin ang Italian-style pizza sauce. Ayan. With a spoon, even it out. Paikot lang. Or mozzarella cheese. Yun. Look at that. Later on, after all the toppings ay nandun na, pwede tayong maglagay ng cheese ulit para maganda pag nag-melt na siya. Okay? Next naman, ilalagay natin ng VEEGA meat-free sausages. We slice it thinly because gagamitin nga natin siya as a topping. Down to our last piece. Na next naman natin ngayon ang ating green bell peppers and olives. Singit-singit lang natin yan sa side para hindi napapatungan yung ating sausage. Next is black olives. Ayan. Lagay lang natin kung saan may area pa na hindi natatakpan yung iba pang toppings. Like this side. Pwede rin dito. And for the last one, ganda, napakakulay. In the preheated oven toaster, ilalagay lang natin siya for around 8 to 10 minutes hanggang mag-melt yung cheese, may konting browning, medyo crispy ng konti yung sausage. Oh, so delicious. Let's go mga ka-foodies, bake time! At ngayon, itatop na natin ang fresh vegetables natin. Meron ako ritong purple cabbage. Ayan. Pwede tayo mag-substitute katulad ng arugula, even lettuce, alfalfa sprouts, pwede rin. Pero ito, ang ganda na nabibigay na color, crunchiness. Ay, mga malalaki. Ang next naman natin ay fresh basil. I have here small leaves, pero pag malalaki yung basil natin, we can slice it thinly. Kung top nung basil, kahit isang piraso lang, Kung leaves yan, around 2 pieces. Ganda, napakakulay. Ito rin ang nagpapa-premium sa ating pizza, the freshness of other ingredients like this. This is our meat-free sausage bagel pizza, meaty without the meat. Make sure to try this at home and I'll see you next time. I am V-Boy Miranda for Elaborately Easy. Pizza out!
For more recipes, visit www.homefoodie.com. You can also like our Facebook, that's Home Foodie, and follow us on Instagram at HomeFoodiePH. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified for new uploads. Dahil dito sa Home Foodie, walang imposible. Lahat kayang gawing madelicious.